bed. Wait, but Gorilla, before you go to bed, we have to find all your bedtime items. We have to find your pajamas, and your blanket, your nighttime teddy, and your pillow. Okay, Gorilla, I know you're tired, but we have to find all that before you go to bed, okay? All right, let's get going. First, we have to find your pajamas. All right, let's find those comfy pajamas, Gorilla. Where do you think they are? Oh, do you see them, Gorilla? Where are they? Oh, you're gonna go down this slide, okay. Let's go. Woo! Oh, wait, Gorilla, look, I see your pajamas. Yeah, look beside you. Wait, Gorilla, that's a pretty yellow dress, but that's not your pajamas, silly Gorilla. Look at the other side of you. Yay! Okay, Gorilla, let's put on your pajamas. Whoa, Gorilla, look at your pajamas. They look great on you. Maybe just a little small, but they definitely look comfy. Okay, Gorilla, come on, we have to find the next thing for your bedtime. Do you know what that is? Your pillow. Okay, where do you think your pillow is, Gorilla? Oh, should we check in the Chuck E. Cheese's? Okay, let's go in. I'll follow you. Let's see if we can find your pillow in here. Let's look around. What do we see? Oh, there's a Hello Kitty vacuum over there. Some food. What is it, Gorilla? Did you find it? Wait, Gorilla! Gorilla, I don't think that is a pillow. Pillows don't normally do that. I'm pretty sure that's a suitcase, Gorilla. Not a pillow. Gorilla, that's not what you're looking for. That's a car suitcase. See, it's Lightning McQueen. You can put all your stuff in there. Wait, Gorilla, is your pillow inside the suitcase? Okay, Gorilla, I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Here we go. Let's see if your pillow's inside here. All right, and wait, Gorilla, there's nothing in here. Oh, Gorilla, there was no pillow in there. Okay, we gotta keep looking. Where else could your pillow be? Where is it? Oh, wait, is it back there? All right, let's check. Let's see. Oh, Gorilla, look. That's a caterpillar pillow. But is that your main pillow for sleeping? No, is there not? Oh, Gorilla, it's a Marshall pillow from Paw Patrol. Oh, that's perfect for sleeping. Okay, Gorilla, we found your pajamas. We found your pillow. Now we have to find your other sleepy time items. Okay, Gorilla, we have to find your blankie next. You have your pillow, but where's your blankie? All right, Gorilla, let's find it. Use your nose, maybe. Sniff it out. Oh, wait, you found something? Gorilla, what did you find? Wait, Gorilla, I don't think that's your blanket. It looks a little small for you. Maybe it could be a tissue for you, but definitely not a blanket. All right, we gotta find your blanket, Gorilla. Where could it be? You think it's in the Toys R Us? Okay, let's check. Let's go inside. Maybe your blanket's in here. Come on, Gorilla, you have to go to bed. It's way past your bedtime. Okay. Ooh, Gorilla, it's kind of spooky in here. Whoa. All right, Gorilla. What is it? Whoa, is that a skull? Wait, Gorilla, what's on top? It's an alligator head. But what's inside the alligator head? Look, Gorilla! It's your blankie! Oh, yay, you found your next bedtime item. So you have your pajamas, you have your pillow, and now you have your blankie. You know what that means, Gorilla? You just have one more thing to find. Your sleepy time teddy. Okay, do you think it's in here somewhere? Let's check everywhere really good. So it's not by the skull. Wait, is it anywhere inside the donut shop? Wait, what's that? Oh, Gorilla! That's not your teddy. That's a slinky. sticky. They're super fun, but they're not so good for bedtime. Come on, Gorilla, we gotta find your teddy bear. Okay, keep looking. Whoa, Gorilla, look at this spooky ghost. Some crazy eyes. Wait, there's another pair of eyes in there, Gorilla. What could it be? Whoa! Who's that, Gorilla? It looks like Rubble from Paw Patrol. It's your sleepy time teddy bear. Oh, Gorilla, you found him. Gorilla, you did it. You found all your bedtime items. You found your PJs, your pillow, your blankie, and your Rubble Paw Patrol teddy bear. That means it's time for bed, Gorilla. Yeah, you can finally go to sleep. Okay, Gorilla. Wait, Gorilla! Gorilla, it's no time to play. Come back out of the Chuck E. Cheese's. You silly Gorilla, it's bedtime. Oh, that silly Gorilla. We better go in there, people at home, and figure out what he's doing. Where is he in here? Oh, Gorilla. Oh, Gorilla. Oh, Gorilla's sleeping. Look, he fell asleep in the ball pit. Okay, Gorilla. Sweet dreams. I hope you have a beautiful sleepy time. Bye, everyone. Bye.
People at home, don't forget to have your parents subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Okay, gang, here we are. All right, Vampirina's Scare B&B. Like, man, oh man, Freddy, why are we here again? Yeah, this place is scary. Oh, come on, you guys. We're on the hunt for the rare googly ghost that's haunting the inside of the Scare B&B. Now remember, you guys, Vampirina said that whoever gets tickled by the ghost gets googly eyes. So don't let him near you. Like, man, oh man, Scoob, I'd like to see one of the ghosts get near us. Well, we've got the Get a Ghost Gizmo gadget. Phew! Oh, good. I was getting a little worried. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Come on, you guys. We don't have time to waste. Okay. Oh, hi, little puppy. Wait, where are you going? Boo! Ah! Welcome to the Scare B&B. Oh, Scoob. Okay, Shaggy, I'm ready to go home now. Come on, you guys. We've got to go find this rare ghost. Oh, man. Okay, gang. Let's search and look for clues and evidence. I'll check over here. And I'll check by that sandwich over there. This evidence smells delicious. Hi, Rubble. Ruff, ruff, Rubble seeing double. Whoa. Oh no, Jackie, you're super scary. Like, what is it, Scoob? Did your sandwich not have pickles on it? No, googly eyes. Okay, gang, I haven't found anything downstairs. It looks like we're gonna need to split up. Come on, you guys. Let's go. Oh, man. Like, zoink, Scoob. Let's find this googly ghost and get out of here. Okay. Like, there's nothing behind the couch, Scoob. Like, let me check under the couch. Scooby-Doo, where are you? Oh, zoinks. Ew, ew, ew. Get it off. Get
Shaggy!
it off.
Scooby-Doo!
Oh, vampire!
No, silly. It's me, Vampirina.
Like, man, oh man, you gave us a scare. Not as bad as this hand is. Get it off.
Oh, that's just Frankie's hand. Frankie, we found it.
Nice googly eyes there, Frankie. Like, have a nice day. Like you, yuck. I'd say he's having a pretty bad day.
Come on, you guys. We've got to keep looking before the googly-eyed ghost decides to tickle us. Ooh.
No. I don't want googly eyes. Yikes. Okay, Scoob, I'm gonna check over here. Go. Okay, Shaggy. Here, ghosty. Ooh. Somebody called? Ooh. Ghost! Yikes! Right, Miss Shaggy. Whoa, Scoob, calm down.
Scooby, did you find the googly-eyed ghost?
Ghost! Hi, Vampirina.
Oh, no, Scooby, that's not the ghost. That's just Dimmy. He lives here. You don't have to worry about him.
Hello. Ooh. Oh, okay.
Oh, stop! Oh no! Uh-oh, another victim of the googly-eyed ghost. I wonder who he tickled this time.
Whoa. That's a tickly ghost. Whoa, everything is in double. Getting a little dizzy here. Hey Shaggy, hey Scooby, hey Shaggy. Whoa. Zoinks! Freddy's been googly-ified! Oh, what are we gonna do? Whoa! Shaggy? Scoob, there's no hope! We gotta get out of here!
Wait a minute, you guys. Do you hear that? It's the disco room. Someone must be up there, and I bet it's our ghost. Come on, we can do this. Let's go get him and save everyone in the Scare B&B.
Jinkies, I guess, okay. But googly eyes aren't gonna look good on me.
Okay, you guys, he's gotta be up here somewhere. Let's check it out. Shaggy? Shaggy, what are you doing?
Man, oh man, this tune is groovy. Come on, why don't you all join me? Whoa. I love me some break dancing. It really works up an appetite. Hey Scoob, why are you laughing? I can't stop. It tickles.
The googly-eyed ghost!
Scooby! That tickles. Tickle. Ooh. Scooby-Doo, are you okay, buddy old pal? Whoa, Shaggy, you gotta see this. Oh no, Scooby-Doo's been tickled by the googly-eyed ghost. Ooh, who's next? Zoinks, not me. No way, no how, ghosty pal, you're not tickling me. Yikes! Ooh, stay still. Never. Scooby-Doo, where are you? You should let him tickle you. Zoinks!
Don't worry, I got this.
Vampirina, you did it! Ooh, looks cool! Whoa, that was weird! Yes, Scooby-Doo, you've been fixed! Oh, good thing you didn't look in a mirror, pal, because you were super creepy! Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Thanks, Vampirina! Wow, I can't believe we did it, Scoob!
Well, kinda. You left your Get a Ghost gizmo gadget downstairs.
Oh! Zoinks! My bad!
Thank you guys so much. Couldn't have done it without you. Now how about a free stay at the scariest scare B&B in town? Our treat!
Like zoinks, no thanks. Let's get out of here. Ooh, wow, this was so much fun.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there! You can select and watch it, and I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch! Bye!